I've been here 5 years ago. This beach is the cleanest from all Vietnam. She has everything to cook you an egg. Good morning, guys. It is almost 7:55 a.m. We're heading to the train station of Hue, and
we're taking the train to Da Nang, but this time we took the seat because it was a day. It's a day train, so we thought we were not gonna sleep anyway. So we wanted to check out the seat section. It's much cheaper. It was only like about 80,000 dong per person, so we can wait and see like if it's really worth it.
tới Đà Nẵng rồi. Còn lâu, ngừng ở đây thì còn lâu.
Thôi, cảm ơn nha.
Ok, dạ,
cảm ơn nhiều. Có gì anh gặp lại sau.
Yeah, yeah, okay, so yeah. Alright guys, we just met a new fan and we have a contact on the train now, so yeah.
It's really nice.
So checking process was quick and easy. They all speak very good English if you guys are worried about that.
It's exactly like a hotel.
Thank you so much.
So we have a partial view of the beach. I think we can catch a little bit of a sunset here. Maybe, we'll see.
Maybe.
And we have a bathroom here. So the toilet is here and there's a shower. Modern toilet, so everything is very modern, very clean. You guys know the way I like it. And there's a rooftop pool, rooftop bar, and the gym in this place, which is perfect.
And they also have a kitchen. Anyways, guys, if you guys like this Airbnb, we'll put down in the link here.
Yeah, and if you never use Airbnb, you can use a referral code to get $45 off your first booking as well. So.
We are officially back to our natural element, which is the beach. yeah, we've been waiting for this for 11 days so far.
Yeah, we have 4 full days here in Da Nang, but because we want to do some venture out to Hoi An and stuff, that's why we took 4 nights here. But we're gonna enjoy the beach a lot.
This is my camera bag. Let me show you why it is so special. At any given moment, I can have a quick access to some banh mi here. You have some Vietnamese banh mi. This is some meat banh mi thịt nướng.
We haven't even had a banh mi yet.
Yeah, not yet. But it was so fresh. It smells, and it's all fresh baguette that has been grilled. You have some marinated pork inside with some vegetable. I'm drooling already. And from the top, you have another quick access. And it unzips like this, and it pulls out all the drinks here. This is Jade's favorite drink. And then you pull out some more. Show it, Jade. And look what we have here. This some fresh meat.
Jackfruit.
Yeah, jackfruit. And Another part where you can hide more fruits. This is fresh mango that it's been peeled out and it's very sweet. I can, oh my god, smell the sweet from here. So this was my quick review of my camera bag, but if you want to know it more in detail, put it down in the comment section. It's a lower pro military grade. Let me get, and it's perfect for travelers. If you guys are interested, comment down below. I'll do a full review with what's really inside.
Oh, the baguette sounds crunchy. I could hear the crunch of the baguette.
Oh yeah, it was freshly made. And grilled. Oh my god. Perfect. I mean, by the beach, on a beach chair. What do you want more? It's heaven. Just woke up from a 2 hours nap. That was so good.
The sand is really soft.
Yeah? It's windy today.
Yeah, there's a lot of waves, but the water is not really cold.
But it's not super warm. I mean, it's just, you know, the right temperature. 5 p.m. Remember that, guys. 5 p.m. it's the time where all the Asian gets on the beach. It's not at 12, it's not at 10 a.m.
Yeah, they come out because there's no more sun. They don't want to get tan, so they're all here.
Another thing you should know about Asian, we don't know how to swim.
What do you mean we don't know how to
mean,
swim?
a lot of my friends doesn't know how to swim.
We know how to swim.
No, my friends, like a grown-up man, his name is Ken. You guys have seen it on the vlog. He doesn't know how to swim.
Yeah, there are a lot of Asians that don't learn to swim.
Yeah, and if you guys just look in the back. Yeah, I cannot zoom in. Yeah, can I? Okay, so if you guys look in the back, the rope there, it's to mark it, like you should be swimming on the other side, but people are just, you know, holding the rope to be able to, you know, stand in the water because they don't know how to swim. People are looking at us like, how come you're so brown? You're so brown.
I'm a beautiful caramel. Okay, that's
Yeah.
why. Piece of candy. I'm a caramel.
She said she has the best banh mi. Okay, to go nha. Jade, she also asked a question. If you were my girlfriend. So I said yes, and she said, when will you be my wife? Jade,
What?
what are you doing?
I took a pre-workout. So the treadmill better be working. Otherwise I will be like running circle around the slumpy, like you know?
Yeah,
It
you
better
would
be a
complain so hard.
Yeah, there better be a treadmill, working treadmill.
Okay guys, another short story. We saw a stand of durian down the hotel, just right at the exit door.
But it's not allowed in here.
Yeah, they don't allow durian here, and durian is like cocaine here. They mark it down in the contract when you sign into the hotel. You're
Because
not
it
allowed to bring
smells.
durian.
Because it's steam.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
The gym is
Gym's this way. Okay.
Okay, and the bar?
Yeah, the body upstairs.
Okay, bye Jade, bye. Just at the back of our hotel, not too far, and it's plenty of light, food, and smell. Let's go find something to eat, and
I was
also.
like, what's touching me? It's this strap of the camera that keeps like touching me, and I was like, is it somebody touching me?
gonna be here for the next hour, so that leaves me and you guys. Jeet's gonna be so happy. And we are back to the normal schedule.
Yeah, my nails are done. We're hungry now. We're gonna have to get something to eat. So if you guys are in the area and you want to get your nails done, they're really, really cheap, and the girl is really good at cleaning your nails and everything. And they
She
have
was
gels.
quite patient because there was certainly a barrier language. Sometime I was there, sometime I was not, but she
Well,
was
it was
helpful.
fairly easy, so. But the girl is really takes a lot of time to do your nails, and it's very clean. She doesn't quite master the design that I wanted, but she's still really good and really patient and really sweet, and it's dirt cheap. It was to get my manicure, so she cleaned the cudgels and everything, and the gel polish plus the design on 4 of the nails. It's only like 190 Vietnamese dong, which is the cheapest I've ever found in Vietnam, and on top of that, quality, right? So recommended.
Found a spot to eat. We have here some bún hải sản, which means,
Seafood soup.
and we have some special of the place here. This is called mì Quảng.
Yeah, this is a Da Nang specialty.
So normally you would crack this a little bit just to mix it, and the yellow thing that you see here is turmeric. It's an ingredient that fits in a lot of Vietnamese meal. Let's try the soup. Oh, this one is good.
I ordered a seafood soup, so it's bún hải sản, and you have some fish in here, and have some shrimp, calamaris here,
You have
tomato,
some salad
and
on the
some
side.
salad on the side.
My camera is running out of battery. It's blinking red. You guys don't see it, but yeah, I'm running out of battery. Anyways, this is it for today, guys. We're gonna let you guys go. Meet you guys tomorrow by the beach, or maybe at the rooftop by the pool.
If you like today's vlog, click on the thumbs up button, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We love you guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.